Welcome to Rouse Academy Hyderabad branch. I am Shwetashri. Today I am here to teach some of the most important environment PYQs. Whereas the first question is, due to the improper indiscriminate disposal of old and used computers or their parts, which of the following are released into the environment as the e-waste? So in this context, there are a lot of materials or a lot of heavy metals will be used in the electronic devices, and those can be absorbed in the form of e-waste. But how can one choose and one can remember? So if you do not know how to answer this particular question, just use the common sense to solve this question. During these kinds of questions, all you have to do is just read the question properly and the options properly. So if you see here, it is asking that which of the following are the chemicals which are absorbed in the e-waste. If you closely observe here, among the options it has given the plutonium. Plutonium is a nuclear metal or it is a nuclear element. Usually these nuclear elements are not used in the electronic devices manufacturing. So in this context, you can cross the plutonium. So by crossing the plutonium options, you have reached the correct answer without reading the remaining one. So here in this kind of questions, all you have to do is use your common sense and read the question properly and read the given options in a proper way. If you see the next one being heptachlor. Heptachlor has been categorized as the pesticide under the persistent organic pollutants under Stockholm Convention. So heptachlor is a pesticide. It is not been absorbed in the e-waste. So by crossing the 4 and 7, you have come to the conclusion, and the right answer that is 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6.